Hello mga nurse! I am back, Nurse Eka, for our episode 3 of how we say it versus how they say it. So the word for the day ay kinomment ng aking friend na si Luigi. Ayan, kinomment niya yan on our first episode. And itong word na to is not just for nurses, for medtech, and sa buong healthcare field makaka-relate dito. Okay, and the word for the day ay, so how we say it in the Philippines, this is hemoglobin. We say it as hemoglobin. In here sa US, they say it as hemoglobin. This is hemoglobin. So hemoglobin is the protein responsible for the red color of the RBC. Ayan. So sasabihin mo kay doctor, Doc, the hemoglobin of the patient is less than 7. We need to transfuse blood. Charot! Okay. Ayan na. The word for the day ay hemoglobin. Alright? We'll see you next time, guys. Like, comment lang kayo ng mga gusto niyo mga words. Try natin gawin yan ng reels, okay? Bye!